guys, my name is Jessica. I'm with RVPartsCountry.com. Today I've got Richard and Logan, two of our team members.
Howdy guys.
They're going to give us a little background of RV Parts Country. So guys, can you tell me what kind of customer service someone can expect when they buy from us?
With RV Parts Country, you can expect to get a knowledgeable sales staff. We're actually celebrating our 10-year anniversary this year. So everyone here is very knowledgeable in the camper industry. We've got real people, so we ain't got to worry about the robots and whatnot you'd have with big corporation.
Yeah, with big corporations, you know, they just have just a average Joe on there that doesn't know anything. Basically, he's just, you know, just working his 9 to 5, just worried about getting in and getting out as fast as he can. You know, he don't know anything about an awning, how to measure for one correctly, what kind of amps you need for your camper with air conditioner and so on, forth like that. So yeah, like Richard was saying, real knowledgeable about the products that we sell. So if any questions you guys have, we guarantee that we're going to be able to help you out.
Absolutely.
So another question is, why should somebody buy from us rather than a big corporate chain
Well,
or somewhere like that?
I guess one thing shopping with us is you're supporting a local business. We're here in Kentucky. We're all American owned. So shopping local, I guess, and shopping small is one thing that helps the economy grow. We're not out, you know, demanding big prices. We're not trying to make all of our money on one ticket sale. And I guess the big thing that sets us apart from those guys, we don't charge that club fee that you're going to see with the big guys. You know, to us that's a nonsense rule, and we don't want to put that on our customers.
Stuff like a membership for shipping, like we don't do anything like that either, like a big corporation would do. Kind of along with a corporation like that, you know, with a small business like us, we sell wholesale parts, right?
That's right.
So big
Wholesale
corporations,
pricing.
wholesale pricing. You're absolutely right. So with these big corporations, you're likely to spend 50% more on something we would sell.
Right.
So absolutely. So
another point I'd like to touch base on is if they buy from us, they're not just a number, right? We
right,
get their name. We're real familiar with them.
We know who they are. If they come back to us 1 year from now, 1 month, or 5 years, it don't really matter. We've got your information. We'll know who you are, and you know we're going to try our best to help you any way we can.
So we're building relationships with customers.
Yeah, we
Absolutely.
do build relationships with our customers.
Yeah.
Absolutely, we communicate very well with our customers on any kind of questions they have, because you know with the RV parts, it's a little bit different. Like you gotta have a lot of knowledge on this stuff. Like you can't just go, okay, I want this air conditioner, boom, done.
Right.
You gotta most of your guys out there buying a new air conditioner, for example, you need somebody good to talk to, and I think that we can definitely help you.
We can guide them, basically. We don't want to take their money. We want to guide them and help them and
Absolutely.
get the right parts.
Absolutely. There's no fun in getting something wrong when you're in a desperate need for it. It's hot down in Florida, and if you need a part, you ain't got time to get it wrong.
No.
We want to make it right on the first try.
Well, guys, I appreciate your time and answering those couple of questions.
Yeah,
Is there
absolutely.
anything else we want to close up with?
No, just remember, you know, always subscribe on our YouTube channel. We're putting new videos out, and give us a like on Facebook. We do promos and sales and stuff on there, so that'll keep you up to date, and then with new products as well. So,
Yeah, follow us on Facebook, like the video, and yeah, thank you so much.
all right, thank you guys.